Hi guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine, and I'm going to ask a few frequently asked questions that we get here when we're out on tour. As you can see right now, I'm at Phi Phi. I've got some guests that are out snorkeling, and I'm on one of our boats. The boat today is called Lisa 9. So firstly, I want to talk about the questions we get about our boats. Firstly, our guests ask us, are the boats all the same? Yes. Our boats are all built by the same manufacturer. They have the same engine type on them, and they have the same kind of amenities on them. We have things like masks, snorkels, fins, fresh fruit, soft drink, water. On every boat you'll have a captain, you'll have an engineer, and you'll have an English speaking guide. So that's the first question. And also you'll see that we have a back deck, which makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. The second question that we frequently get is about the program. Guests often ask us, are we able to adjust the program? The answer is yes. On the day you can adjust the program as you like. For example, the tour that I'm on right now, we left out of the pier around 7 a.m. and went straight to Maya Bay, where it was nice and quiet. Then we hopped on to do a snorkeling spot near Viking cave. After this we're going to head on to Phi Lagoon, and then after that across to Phi Phi Don to do some more snorkeling. The guests wanted a nice local Thai restaurant, so we're going to go to the Michelin recommended pear cruvet for lunch, and they needed to be back to the pier by 2 p.m. so that they could get to a flight. So that's an example of how I've customized this tour on this boat for this guest, and this is something that all of our experienced guides do on a daily basis. The next question we have is, do we need to be able to swim to go on tour? The great part of our boats is that we have life jackets on board. All of our staff are first aid trained, CPR trained, and life-saving trained. These are certifications that they redo every single year. So if you're a non-swimmer, we'll ask you to wear a life jacket on board, and our team will go with you in the water. We may make decisions like going to islands where you can swim off the beach. This allows you to get in the water with very to no risk, because you'll be in ankle depth or maybe knee depth water. The next question that I get asked is, what is the pickup time? Now, being a private tour, our pickup times are all flexible. You can tell us what works for you. Our 2 recommended pickup times will change a little bit by tour, but that will be in your confirmation email. But please note, these are just recommended pickup times. These are not set pickup times. You're allowed to choose any time that suits you. For example, the tour that I'm on today, the guest asked for a 6 a.m. pickup. We had another tour go out this morning with a 5 a.m. pickup. So pickup times are quite flexible, and we're able to adjust them to suit you. Now, in terms of destinations, another question I get is, what are the destinations and what's the best destination for me? My answer to that is, the more I know about you, the better it is for me to be able to make a personalized recommendation for you. For example, if you're looking to go snorkeling, then a destination like Phi Phi, Similan, Raya, Coral, or Kai would be the right destination for you. But if you're more into beach hopping, a little bit of cave exploring, canoeing, and just magnificent scenery, then something like Phang Nga Bay, James Bond Island, or even Hong Karabi would be the right locations for you. So as you can see, a lot of our tours are all about customization, and what I wanted to do was to be able to allow you to know that these are things that we can do for you. Hopefully see you in our next video. Please like and subscribe.